And so this is your Neo Geo Pocket Color with the IPS display. We're going to go over your color palette and brightness issues. Oops. One of the things you'll experience with the IPS display is like 50% of the time, once the batteries get down to a certain level, the screen won't light up. There we go. And literally it's like 50% of the time. Doesn't work, turn it off, turn it back on. So we'll address your color palette first. There's touch sensors inside the shell on the top. And so you'll have color palette. And that changes your color palettes. And then over here you have brightness. Then over here, if you hold options A and B, you'll get a menu. B is down, A is up. You hold options, select A, and that gets you into the thing. A is up, like for brightness, B is down. Then to go back to the selector, hold options, press A, and then to get out of this menu, options, hold B. If you press and hold the light or the brightness, you get a little battery indicator in the top right corner. See the little guy right there? It's super inaccurate. There's no point to really use it. And then over here, if you press and hold your color palette, it'll switch to like a pixel mode. So like it outlines all of the pixels. So it looks more like an original NGPC screen. I prefer keeping it in this super crisp mode. Just press and hold, and it switches between the two. So that's a basic rundown of how to operate the mod. And then I cleaned the console out, and it should work much more reliably than it had been. See, like I said, 50% of the time, because I think your batteries are a little low. I'm sending you a cleaning kit with some cleaning liquid and a 1-up cartridge cleaner. And yeah, that is how you deal with your mod. Hopefully cleaning out your other cartridges will make it better. Anyway, happy playing.